delicious khurma, in which rice is cooked in milk, cardamom is added, saffron, pistachio, almonds, and the most important thing is soybeans, from which delicious khurma is made. Add sugar and condensed milk. If you cannot forget the taste for a long time, then make this traditional dessert for yourself on every happy occasion and make your Eid even more beautiful and delightful. If you like our recipes, let us know, and we will bring you more delicious recipes, which are very, very easy. Your family members will be happy. Your friends and relatives will be happy too. So cook with love and become the best chef for your family members.